Case Study Assignment 7 by Mary Kirkland at American University. When developing a report or an evaluation, it is important to include a title, abstract, keywords, and follow the IMRAD format, as they all help organize information and present information with fluidity. The Understanding Feeding America Elementary School-Based Food Pantries report includes a title page, which is followed by the table of contents, which helps arrange information and materials within a report by page number, which makes it easier for the reader to locate specific information. The report also uses the IMRAD format. IMRAD is an acronym which stands for Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussion. Each section is clearly identified in its section title and covers information necessary for its section. For example, the methodology section provides information about surveys and interviews and how they are used as instruments, and the strategies used to collect and analyze information. The one area that I found very helpful throughout the layout of the report was the use of graphs and bar charts that follow each area to show a visual of the written information being presented. As previously stated, reports usually include an abstract, which is the overview of the program, which includes the purpose/aim of the report, general discussion of results and conclusions, and the program recommendations. Although there isn't a specific section identified as the abstract, the program overview is covered in the introduction, and the purpose of the program is clearly stated. However, the discussion of results and conclusions are not addressed until later within their respective section of the report. When writing a report or an evaluation of any kind, it is important that the content communicates to all audiences. The tone of the report was formally written to inform readers. While the intended audience of the information presented in the Understanding Feeding America Elementary School-Based Food Pantries report would be Board of Education members and school administration, such as principals, business managers, and assistant principals. Parents and surrounding communities are the alternative audience who the program will potentially benefit. All school districts have a diverse student population from different economic and geographical areas. This program will be of interest to schools and communities with high foreign percentages, which indicates low-income communities. The report presents a variety of data in the form of bar graphs and comparison tables. Specifically, researchers collected data in the form of surveys and interviews. The data was mainly used to compare data. For example, the table below is Table 12, which was used to compare the participants' contentment with the food received and the chosen method for delivery. Throughout the study, bivariate analysis such as analysis of variance were used to present the differences between two or more specific categories.